Hello everyone, this video is dedicated to those of you who love CNC lathe technology, and even more so, to those who are passionate about billiards but have been drawn into the world of machinery by life. I will be creating a video on how to make an 8-ball steel cue ball, the death number in billiards, into which we have poured so many emotions. Let's watch together. Preparing the main part. Let's make the number 8. Now I made 2 different sizes. Now let's make the 2 dots in the number 8. Time to bring these parts together. Heat will expand the metal, which makes the press fits easily. 0.03 no bigger than the holes. This will be the circle around the number 8. The manufacturing stage of number 8 has been completed. Roughly pre-turning the shape of the ball. Sanding it clean with 120, 240, 400 grit. Scotch Brite. Time to give it a mirror polishing compound. If you think this video is interesting, Like and follow me. Thank you very much.